Well, Chris here with a new piece of test equipment. It's a vintage PALEC model ET4A vacuum tube tester, and it also doubles up as a CRT tester and rejuvenator. So it's, I believe it's Australian made in Sydney, serial number 431. I got off eBay as a Christmas present. Came with an international electronic tube handbook. Regrettably written in Dutch, I believe, but it does have some helpful diagrams and cross-references. Next to Philips Miniwatt technical data book for valves, CRTs and semiconductors, so transistors, diodes, etc. So this is good. It has all sorts of different bits and pieces and base types for valves, CRTs, semiconductors, light bulbs, you name it, it's in there. All the pin layouts for pin diagrams, some more bits and pieces. So definitely a good book if you have any Philips Miniwatts. It's got some cross-reference indexes in the back, which are particularly helpful since we use a lot of European tubes over here, and also a number of American ones. So it's a substantially older book, and also a manual with an index of the tubes. So for this one, to test it, I've got a known good valve, a Philips Miniwatt 6AU6. So I've got it set up, so set for 6.3 filament volts. So I have to set up the pins. So E, F1, F1, F2, range and merit already set. So as the valves just warming up, you'll see that the reading slowly rising. You can vaguely see the filament glowing in there as it warms up. But so this is a good valve. So I've got a few others. I've got a 6AQ5, which is I think it has a cathode to grid short. So at the moment this 6AU6, and filament appears as purple on this camera for some reason. It's reading at about 80, so that's pretty darn good. So now for a bad valve, and another 7-pin miniature valve. I'll just center this. Okay. So this is a 6AQ6, luckily on the same page. 6AQ5, sorry. So clear all those. So E, F1, F1, F2, F1. So the it's testing very poorly for emissions, and if you put onto shorts, and you can actually, can't really see it at the moment, but you could actually see the grid shorting out to the cathode. Usually works after I boost up the filament voltage after I double it. Can't see it at the moment, but As you can see, that's a bad one. I've tried a few different things to try and get it to work again, so it's not too intent on working though at the moment. So anyways, yeah, just thought I'd show you that. So it's my new valve tester, which is going to come very much in handy. So yeah, there it is. So, cheers. Cheers.